the lights? Oh, it's just one. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy Njoka and I'm the creator of HuusHome. I post new videos every Monday and Friday. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to do kitchen shopping sort of thing. So we have been to a few consultations for our new kitchen and we have liked the designs, but we'd like to see what is there, what more is out there in the market. So we'll be going to Vic. Previously we've been to designer and I got to film snippets of our visit to designer and our consultation, and we got actually a design that they drew for us. And we've been to Invita. If you are in Denmark or around the Nordics, you might know these two design kitchen shops. But today we want to go and have a look at Quick. And previously we've had Quick in our two other apartments and we have actually really liked it, and for the price I think it's like it's a good kitchen company. It's okay. So we want to go and see what colors they have, what designs they have, and please come with me. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post new videos. And I post new videos every Monday and Friday, as I said. And I will leave you with the snippets from designer while we go to Quick and come back, and I will show you our kitchen renovation plan. Stay tuned guys and subscribe, it's free. Okay. Oh, that's how you do it.
No, this is temperature. Not sure where it is.
That green looks good too. Guys, so we are already at Quick in the mom's baby, and just had a short consultation with one of the kitchen consultants that works here. Thing is, we have actually had two kitchens from here and we have loved them, so we wanted to try something more fancy, sort of. But some of the kitchens they have that we like, for instance this one here, this is really nice and we like it. But some of our preferences for the kitchen, we're not fond of having the handles on our kitchens. I would like seamless kitchen. I would like to have some color in the house because we're going to paint our walls white and we don't want it to look very clinical. And we are definitely gonna have a kitchen island because we have bigger space now for an island, and it's very exciting. I hope we can get to find a really nice kitchen with Quick because the prices are reasonable and we have enjoyed having the kitchens in our two other property. So let's see. Yeah.
When you have drawers, you basically can see the size because you lose some or
yeah.
Like this one. You lose there.
All the way there, yeah.
All the way around.
Because you have to be able to take it out. Very nice. Do you want to show my people what is on the tall cabinet? That's it? Oh, it's a freezer refrigerator. No, it's a freezer refrigerator. That's a pantry. Yeah.
That's not wrong.
No, but I think there's more space with that when it's like that.
Så den fylder lidt mere med stor højskab, ikke?
Ja.
Det er så også.
Den ser mere
Så det minder lidt om en...
Og så de to sammen, ja.
Yeah.
Because and enhance each other. Yeah.
And I have a question. So, do you make island in this?
Yeah, on the other side.
On the other side.
It can be on, or on both sides
Yeah.
if you want that.
That I like.
Yeah.
So we have this and then white compact tabletop.
But it's all up to you.
Yeah. I don't know, you like the draw out more, or I like the one that you open more.
The other benefit here is that we can take stuff from here.
Yeah, from both sides.
From both sides. With the other one.
Yeah. Yeah. What did I do?
Ja, jeg trak nemlig, fordi vi havde nemlig også kigget på sådan en. Tidligere har vi haft en, men udtræk nedad. Ja.
Can I get the catalog? Push maybe? Yeah. Ooh.
This is the one.
Yeah.
Oh, you got them in this.
Yeah. And it's open. I prefer to open than to draw out.
Yeah. It's just a can't illuminate.
How many were they?
For what?
The lights. Oh, it's just one. Okay. So, you guys, we went to see the quick kitchen, and yeah, I think you've seen all that part. And now we're home, and I wanted to show you what our renovation plan for the kitchen is. We have a window here in our kitchen, right? So this is a window, and this is our kitchen top. That's how it looks like. And we look outside. So basically, we're going to be replacing these windows. We have two huge windows that we can't open. So sometimes when I'm cooking, it gets quite steamy. So we're gonna open the windows, and then we're going to knock down that wall that is at the end of the kitchen. We're gonna knock that wall, this wall down too with the door, and we're gonna knock this one down as well, like this whole cabinet place, and open up the kitchen. So we have an island towards the living room, and then we're gonna have the kitchen table and the sink here where it's already is. So we're gonna have the sink here and the kitchen top, and it's gonna go all the way to the old entrance, which is beyond that wall. You remember if you don't remember what I'm talking about, the old entrance, go and watch the home tour video, and then you will see the home entrance, the main entrance of the house. So we're gonna take that entrance and move it to the washing area, where we're going to create like a real entrance, and then move the kitchen a little bit inside so it extends to the entrance right now. And then we have a tiny toilet there. Again, go watch the first video. The tiny toilet there, we're going to take off the toilet and make like a pantry, just a small pantry in there. We don't think we need a really big pantry because we're only a family of 4, sometimes 5 people, and we like have a lot of cabinet space. We have cabinets, we'll have cabinets under the tabletop, and then we'll also have the standing cabinets and we'll have a kitchen island, which will have drawers on both sides. So basically, we have a few ideas about how we want the kitchen to look like. We'll have like the tall cabinets that will have a freezer and a refrigerator, and then we'll have the tabletop that will be an L tabletop on that wall moving into the living room, and at the end of that wall then we'll have the oven and the microwave, and maybe an open pantry like the one I've showed you during the kitchen tours. Okay, and then we're gonna have like an island now to the front, but now extended to that side, because you're taking one room down, and if you don't remember which room I'm talking about, check out the home tour video. So yeah, that's our kitchen plan renovation. It's very simple actually. We're just gonna move the entrance and then make this entrance and expand the kitchen. It's gonna be a really big kitchen. We have a lot of square meters, and I'm so happy about that. Like, we have so many options to play around with, and the fact that we're able to take down these huge windows and have new ones, then we have a lot of options on what we can do with our kitchen. We'll also have like new floors in the kitchen with the floor heating. We're gonna have like new ceiling with spotlights under and like real lights. Yes, this is the plan as of now, and we hope to be done by the end of the summer. Turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post new videos on my channel. And don't forget to like my videos, because the more you like my videos, they get ranked higher, and so it reaches bigger audience, and then I get more people coming to interact with us and joining our big family. Please comment down below on different ideas you may have on our kitchen, because by now you know how the kitchen looks like, and we're actually playing a lot with different ideas and designs. Comment down below and let me know what you think about our design. I have shared with you a few of the designs that we have drawn, but I think we've moved a little bit away from that, but for now. But please comment and let me know what you think about our different ideas, and this is very exciting, and thank you that you could join us. Stay safe, and until next time, subscribe. It's free.